In 2006, the IAU, or International Astronomical Union, voted that Pluto was not a planet. This was met with both praise and criticism, with some advocating for the decision to be reversed. The IAU's decision stems from its three rules, which define what a planet is. The object must orbit the Sun, it must be round, and it must have cleared the neighborhood of minor celestial bodies. While Pluto fits the description of the first two rules, the IAU claims that it does not meet the third rule due to it being in the Kuiper Belt. This, in fact, isn't true, but more on that later. Some claim that Pluto cannot be a planet because there are moons larger than it. However, this is absurd, since using this rule thus make Mercury not a planet, because Saturn's moon Titan and Jupiter's moon Ganymede are both larger than it. Plus, moons can't be planets because they don't orbit the Sun. They orbit their respective planets. Anyway, back to the third rule. The IAU's plan to use the third rule to demote Pluto has actually backfired. They claim that Pluto hasn't cleared its neighborhood, i.e. the Kuiper Belt, thus not making it a planet. However, the distances between Pluto and other Kuiper Belt objects is about the same as the distance between Earth and Jupiter. Thus, it makes it unfair for it to be ignored for the main 8 planets, but not for Pluto. So in all reality, Pluto fits all 3 of the rules. But I do understand where they were going with this. They don't want children to have to learn hundreds of planets. The only problem with that argument is that you don't have to make children know all of the planets. Children aren't forced to memorize all the countries of the world. Plus, we could just alternatively just abandon the whole rule system and give it a vague definition like countries or continents. Then all we'd have to do is, if we believe it to be a planet, it is one. While people against Pluto being a planet may give evidence to support their claim, much of this can be very easily debunked.